And now I'm going to push my lever sight all the way back to 25. Putting it right where it needs to be. ArrowTime is 3 for 3. We're in a nice little protection from the wind here. I'm gonna log this one. This one worked really well. Gotta log the good ones too. Are we shooting against the tape? Yeah, let's shoot against the tape. So I'm gonna grab my phone, walk over to the target, and then I'm gonna give myself a score. And over at the target, we had one high shot, but I'm gonna say that we were on. So basically that distance gets a check from me, like, check, good distance. You know, it's a very simple workflow. So all 5 of those were in the kill zone. A couple of them were in the white. It's getting dark here. That might have been it for me for tonight.